original head right here on the bottom side is cracked, going from the boat hole.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
And then I went home. I watched television until television went off. And then I played my records until I just
Putting the racks and everything back on it now.
And finally I went to bed, but I
built.
found myself waking up a few hours later.
Do the tune up.
And the tears were running down my face.
My turbo was, I did an upgrade on my turbo, right? I had a
You just
tune.
want to forget about it.
That don't mess nothing up when you
But I
take it
told
off,
my friend,
right?
I said, you know, maybe you've never been in love like I've been in love.
Yeah.
We just gonna put it right back on. Then he ain't touching it. Let it lay in there. We're gonna put it right back
This is what I
on.
told
Alright,
my
no
friend.
problem,
I
huh?
said, you know, sometimes you get lonely.
What's happening,
You
man?
get lonely.
Come on, man.
You get lonely.
What's going on, guys? We're back with the next video, and this is an update on the 06 Columbia that I have. I'm just coming to pick it up from the shop. Got the engine redone, rebuilt. Just got me a new bed, memory foam, cooling gel on the top. You know, I took the passenger seat out. When I get the truck home, I'm about to redo the whole floor in wood. So stay tuned for that video as well. I'm gonna redo the whole dash, as well as the steering wheel. Everything is gonna get replaced. And then we're gonna start bringing old white back to her glory. So, a little update on what I did. I got the transmission, clutch redone. I had the turbo redone, and I'm just picking it up from getting the engine redone. And as you can see here, on my turbo, there's no EGR. Everything is gone. This is an upgrade and tune, 600 horsepower, very fast truck. Burnouts and everything. So I'm gonna have to go and I'm gonna have to get all this stuff cleaned up eventually. New hoses, I'm gonna have to get all that cleaned up eventually. Get everything cleaned up. I have to get me a new fan clutch eventually. It looks like it's leaking. Yeah, this is just my engine is still dirty. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to get all this stuff cleaned up as we go, and as it comes along, I'm gonna get everything together, get it cleaned up. But yeah, again, just had the engine redone. Stay tuned for the interior work and for the exterior work. I'm thinking on whether I'm going to paint it or not. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see what's going on. I'll also give you all an update on how much I paid to get everything done and what you'll be looking at. As y'all already know, I paid $8,600 for this. Made my money back in about 2 weeks. Everything that I paid for to get done on this truck was paid for by the truck. So I'm gonna give you all an update as well on how to buy cheap trucks and make money. With them until you'll be able to rebuild it. My best philosophy is to buy old and rebuild, because then you will know what you put into it and what you get from it. Also with the rebuild, you'll also have warranty on the rebuilds, as if to where you will buy a brand new truck, not necessarily brand new, but a used truck for like 30,000-40,000, and probably within a few months start having major issues. You know what I mean? You rather get a truck for 8,000 to 10,000 that could last you about 3 to 6 months. Hustle your ass off, and every month as you make money, you put 5 to 10,000 back in it. The bill only cost me about 8,000 plus. The transmission cost me around 3,000 plus, and the upgrade on the turbo and tune cost me around $3,000. Again, I'm gonna do our next video with the paperwork showing you all how much I paid for everything. I don't have the paperwork with me, it's at the house, and also in my next truck. So we're gonna go from there and we're gonna keep it moving. Stay safe on the road. You know, it's icy out there. We're in the we're going on towards summer, coming out of the winter weather. So again, be safe. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to know about this truck. Also click that notification bell. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching. And we out.